Hi. In this video, I would like to talk about the content of this box, which is used for the treatment with the flowers according to the E.L.B.A.Z method, E.L.B.A.Z. And you can watch more information in my other YouTube videos on this channel. But first, a disclaimer. And we start to open the box with those clips, which makes it all much more secure. This is in this pouch, there is the electrical item, which we will be using for the treatment. I can't show you the inside of the pouch because this is a public platform, but for more information you can email me on my email, which is written here in the description down below. When I will show you the next pouch and pouches and little boxes, you will see that all of them has got a different size, a different color, etc. It is on purpose because this way you won't have to dig inside and to search what's inside. You will know in advance, and this is easier for less stress, less anxiety before the therapy. In this pouch, there will be this pouch, another pouch. It is according to your taste, of course, and your availability when you buy the pouches. In this one, you have the charger of this previous machine. The charger is important to use after every use with the machine, after each session. In this bag, we have got the metal big ball, the metal smaller ball, and then a cover for the big ball, and also a metal spoon, not a wooden spoon, not plastic, not wooden bowl, and not plastic bowl neither. In this little box, which is quite important because this way you protect the timer. You have the timer, which you will use for at least 30 minutes during the musical relaxation. But there is another reason for the box, because some patients they don't like the noise, the volume of the noise of the timer. So when they put the timer inside, the noise is less loud. In this little box, there is the baby safety pin, which we will not open, but we use only this tiny size for as a curettage, so to take off, to spoon off the residues of the flour. Then we've got a pouch, and this is you can put inside an MP3 player or a mobile phone with a playlist, with a music playlist for the musical relaxation after the consummation of the flowers. But it is mostly here as a to remember to put aside on a shelf not far from in your room, to grab easily after the consummation of the flowers. And it will be mostly a special kind of radio where you put inside a USB with your own playlist. But this is there to remind yourself, did I put the special radio on a certain place, etc. This is optional. It is a little box where you put medications, because after the consummation of the flowers, you can take your medications on top of that. But you will have to ask first the advice of your doctor, because sometimes, not very often, but sometimes it is possible that there are some interactions with the flowers. Inside this bag, here I take a plastic bag because I didn't have another kind of bag. There is the loop. The best is to buy a loop with a light. This way it is easier to check the quality of the flowers. Then we have got some plastic envelopes, and if you see correctly the difference, there is here an X, and here there is a little tick. Because when you see an X, is you don't take the item out, but it is to remember to use. Here you can see hummus tahina. It is an example of a snack that you already prepare in advance. Here, when there is the tick, so you take the item out, and it is a medical alcohol spray which you will use after you wash your hands with water and soap, and then you can spray some alcohol on your hands. It is also used for some exceptions, for instance, during the in the palliative care, to clean some utensils that you won't use in normal situations. Here, an X, those are handkerchiefs, tissues, because if after you cry, then you've got your tissues already prepared, not far from where you do your session. Then you've got the envelope which you take out, but you only have to take it out, let's say, the first 6 therapies. After that, it is possible that you will get used to it, or if not, you can use it for how many times you want. Those are the 3 questions that you should ask yourself before starting the therapy. And as last, there is the brush which you will use to clean the electrical machine. You open the machine, and inside you will have a place where it is important to clean after each therapy, after each session. Voila, that's it for today, explaining the content of the Red Cross box.